This is a great example of a used Civic that has been sitting for 1 to 2 years. It passed Smog with a used aftermarket catalytic converter. This catalytic converter was taken off from another Civic that was crashed. I even added different nuts that are a different size socket fit. I was surprised to know it passed Smog because it had a bent oxygen sensor. This sensor here was bent. This is a good example that even a used bent oxygen sensor can work. Before I took it to get it smogged, I made sure it was ready for smog with my OBD2 scanner. I also noticed my air filter box was a bit damaged. It still passed smog with no problem. The good thing is that it had a good air filter. Like and comment what you think about this. These Honda Civics are one of the best cars ever made. Even if you do not know anything about cars, you can easily fix this car. This car can be a great first car for anyone. I appreciate you for watching and do not forget to subscribe for more car insight.